Hello, friends. We got a snowstorm warning today at Toronto, and we have a few important things we have to do. So, we're going to experience this weather and show you a glimpse of life in Canada on a snowstorm day. There are plenty of activities across the city to keep one busy during the winter season. Winter festivals, winter sports, and various indoor activities keep us busy during the season. It has been snowing a lot today, and the weather forecast is predicting up to 40 centimeters of snow. The cold season lasts for 3 to 4 months from December 3rd to March 16th, with an average daily temperature below 3 degrees Celsius. The coldest month of the year in Toronto is January, and with the average low of -7 degrees Celsius and a high of -1 degree Celsius. Toronto's continental climate is moderated by Lake Ontario. Despite being cold, extended snow-free period occur in most winter season. Average snowfall is about 121 centimeters. However, there are usually 2 or more heavy snowfall each winter. We are getting a lot of snow in February this year compared to last year. For winter season, we need to get our car winter ready with snow tires, battery, and brakes checked, and also have an emergency booster kit in the car all the time. We are here at Cedarbrae Mall to get a few things done. Do watch our detailed video on Cedarbrae Mall. At times, we just need to watch things around us while appreciating the nature. If it snows heavy, you might end up carrying snow if you have a pickup truck. Luckily, it haven't snowed that much as of now, and I can just brush the snow off the car. Next, we are at Scarborough Town Centre. We had some yummy chole bhature. Please subscribe to our channel for support and motivation. Please share this video with your family and friends. Also hit the bell icon so you would be notified when I upload a new video soon. Thank you.